Yeah.
Hi, what's your name?
Zane, and welcome to Welcome ZAYN. Today we're going to be featuring a new pop. It's called the Freddy Funko News today. So we're going to do a little review of the pop. So we're kind of doing a little review. So we're doing a kind of take this and see which box has the frozen Jack today.
And are we doing? What are we doing with the boxes?
We're going to open them and see which one has the frozen Jack in it.
And we're doing an unboxing, right?
Yep.
From where?
From eBay and Amazon.
All right, come down and let's start the unboxing.
Okay, I'm going to hop down.
Okay, and here's our first box coming up.
Dobby.
Let's all say, up goes the weasel.
Okay, here's our first box. And here's our Shing. Here.
Ching. Sparkle, sparkle.
Okay, come up here, helper. Okay, what do we have in the first box?
I like the cactus. I make it.
Come on. Shing.
Ching. Sparkle, sparkle.
All right.
Opened it.
Let's see. What's this one? Oh, wow.
eBay card.
This is our first ever...
Frozen Jack.
No, Freddy Funko.
There's a sticker also.
What's the sticker say?
It says it's from eBay. I want to save them. I want to save them.
Can you sing the song? All right, guys. Our first ever.
Freddy Funko.
Let's put it for the camera. Freddy Funko. This is an exclusive to the Funko HQ. Our first Freddy Funko ever, guys. All right. And let's get our next box here, helper. Can you get my next box, Zane? This one is from where?
From Amazon.
This one is from Amazon, that's right.
There's no sticker on it. And then I like this eBay sticker that they gave it. I like when it was on the box. It was so cool. Who's the guy singing?
I'm not sure. Let's see what this is.
I don't want this.
All right.
Let me throw this down.
This is Tommy Lee from Motley Crue. Guys, if you want to see an excellent movie, look up on Netflix. I know everyone has Netflix. And I forget the name, but I'll let you guys know in just a little bit. So I'm getting all the Motley Crue. All right, this one's Tommy Lee. He's awesome.
I want to look at the back of Tommy Lee.
Here's the back. Let me show everyone. Yep, there's the 4 Motley Cruers. All right. Can you get another one?
But we have 1, 2, 3 boxes left until we're done. But now we have 2 boxes of the Freddy Funko. Here you're
Weasel the Weasel. Pop pop goes the Weasel the Weasel. Pop pop goes the Weasel the Weasel. Pop goes the Weasel because the Funko goes pop. All right.
Which one do we have now? Which one do we have now, Daddy?
Let's see. Show everyone which one we have.
Look, we have the bubblegum guy.
Yep, this is Bazooka Joe, the bubblegum kid. And this is an exclusive. for Target. This is from the ad icons. Oops, I dropped my shing.
It's okay, I'll get it.
Thank you, helper. You're the best helper ever.
Yeah, see, I told you I'll be good in the video.
You're right.
Is that what it really looks like?
Yeah, oh, we have a little bit of damage right here on top.
Show me, show me, show me.
A little bit right here.
But it's okay.
But it was only $10 on eBay, so that's okay.
That's too much dollars. You should have bought it, Daddy.
I know.
That's too much.
Okay, can you get another box? Let's see what we got so far. We got the Freddy Funko. We got Tommy Lee. We got Bazooka Joe. We have 2 more.
Yep.
Alright, guys. Let's see what this one is.
The box has a little rip into it.
Oh, this one's fine though. It's just the outside box.
Yeah, it is. I like this thing.
Alright.
This is
This is a
sharp.
chase.
Of what? Don't be the horns, don't be the horns.
This is the Hellboy with the horns, guys. Let's show them what it looks like. It's a chase. I got a really good deal. I got this one actually free. He has the horns. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, and let's open up our last box.
Okay.
And then we're going to show you some of the new pops that we've gotten.
I like this pop. I want this one in my collection.
Okay.
Because he's a kid.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Sit back a little bit. I dropped my shing.
I was gonna get it though.
This is the one I've been waiting a long time for, guys.
I'll help you get that helper.
Open that one up. Open that one up, Zane. Yeah, we finally got it. The Jack Torrance Frozen Chase. And let's show some more pops that we've gotten.
Thanks.
We picked up this one. This is the ECCC Jaguar. We also picked up the Pokemon Bulbasaur.
Cute. Cute, Daddy.
We also got this one here. I got on offer up. It's the metallic blue alien. And we'll be coming back with another box very soon.
Daddy. This came from Amazon, Daddy.
Alright, we got another box. This is awesome. Okay, guys. And this is going to be our last package today. Package number 6 for my eBay and Amazon haul. And the movie's called The Dirt. That's the Motley Crue movie.
Hold the phone for you. Let me get your chain. Oh, sorry. I got things in my mouth.
And here we go, guys.
Here's the
This is
costume.
Vince Neil from Motley Crue. This is our last one, guys. And the movie is The Dirt, so check it out. And thanks again, guys, for watching our video.
Thank you for welcome back to your Pop Goes the Weasel. We just noticed that we just wanted to do a video, but we're done with our video. So we just did one video left. So we're done with all of them, so we don't have any videos. So goodbye, guys. See you in the next Pop Goes the Weasel video. Goodbye.